Okay, how to how to depin or disassemble uh Infinity Q50 um, power steering module harness connector. I was looking everywhere online on how to do that, and I couldn't find because mine was totally shredded. Can I show that? Okay, see mine. I'm just rebuilding this Q50. They had a front end impact, so the that the module over there was totally missing when I got the con disconnected, where like see the wires are all messed up, right? So the wires are all messed up, so I'm trying to put it back together. And you know, I was gonna kind of do it one at a time to try to fix all of this, but this, I don't think this will be worth it. It's still got wires along the line that's cut. So I just started thinking, what can I do? And I found one at the junkyard, but the pins were a little different, right? The pins, as you can see, this one has, the one that I got only had like 10 pins, but mine had like 14, right? So I couldn't just use the wire. So, but anyway, I wanted to use this harness plug, which is good and can just plug right in. Luckily, this one I was able to separate the pin and make it line up with this one. All right, so this one only had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. So one was this one on the new harness was close here, so I was able to separate that one from here and kind of move it where it should be. But my problem now is this one. So I was trying to see what can I do to use this pin on that one. So I started looking around how to remove this pin from here so we can just slide right in here. And I didn't find it anywhere on the internet. I looked everywhere and I couldn't find. So I just started doing it on my own, and I know somebody else might find this useful. So I figured I'd make a video of it, just in case anybody you know, is having the same problem and trying to figure out how to remove this pin, because it wasn't common. I looked everywhere on YouTube, on the internet, on how to remove this kind of pin, and I just couldn't. So, but it's really easy. I'm glad I didn't break anything. This one right here slides right in here just like that. All you have to do is, if you look right here, there's this slot right here, right? There's this slot right here, and there's a groove on here. So there's also a corresponding groove, or should I say notch, in here where this where like it holds it in. When you slide it in, it keeps it from pulling back. So all you have to do is, first, there's this here that slides in here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, see that? That right there. This here slides in there. Okay, just pull it out. It comes out easy. Use this. I was using a screwdriver, the little screwdriver, but you're gonna need one of these. Okay, this works perfect. I was using a screwdriver and it wasn't working, but as soon as I used this, it was really easy. So you're gonna need one of this. Pry it up a little bit on the side, and then it's gonna come right up, and you just pull it out with a needle nose plier or long nose plier. Once you pull that out, it releases the, you know, the hole that holds them here. So now all you have to do is, if you look down in here, there's a hole in there. There's a hole right here. There's a hole right there. Angle this pick towards towards this, because this sits in there just like that. So you want to break that hole, or whatever it's called, that is holding against here, that keeping it from. So you want to angle your pick tool to go in. Okay, you want to get in here from the top, from here. You want to get in from here, from the angle, push it all the way down, push it. And when you go in, you want to kind of like give it a little nudge this way, a little nudge this way, a little nudge this way, right? And you do the same thing on this side. You go into from the angle like that, and you give it a nudge. So you want to separate. You want to separate that. And once you do that, you can pull on it, which I really don't advise. But once you have this hard tool right here, and it just slides in, pick at it, right? Pick at it. You just pick like that, kind of pry it back, and as soon as you just stop prying it back, it's gonna come right out. You don't need all this stuff I did here was before. So all you just gotta do is just pry, and it just slides right out. All right, once you slide out, the rest of them are just easy. You want to separate all the spin. If you look right here, you see how this up. If you just pick at it from the side like that, this is the clip that holds the pin itself in, right? You just pick at it from the side like that, pry all these tabs up, pry them all up, and this stuff just slides right out. See, you can just slide out. I already started doing it, but you do it on both sides, or whichever pin, if you want to do one individual pin or however. But once you get it out of that connector housing, or whatever it's called, you know what I'm saying, the rest is just to pry here and just pull them back, and this comes right out. So this is what I plan to do. To use, I want to use this wire, harness, and so I just gotta figure out how I can merge them both. So I don't know why my video shut down, but anyway, if you like this kind of videos on this Q50 which I'm building, I'm gonna show a shot of it in a little bit. Just like the video, subscribe. There'll be more to come once enough interest is shown that people want to see my progress for this project. And then we'll go from there, make more videos for viewership. So like, subscribe, more to come.